KFC's golden crispy fried chicken has long conquered the taste buds of millions of people. But have you ever wondered how KFC can serve hundreds of thousands of chicken pieces every day while still maintaining perfect crispiness and consistent flavor? The secret lies in the special marinade recipe and carefully standardized processing process. After watching this video, you might want to order a plate of fragrant crispy fried chicken right away. Before becoming crispy fried chicken, each KFC chicken is raised in a modern closed cage system where temperature, humidity and light are strictly controlled to reduce disease and help the chickens grow evenly. The ventilation and cooling system is continuous, and the clean water source of about 200 to 300 milliliters per bird per day is changed regularly to ensure hygiene. Adult chickens need a nutritious diet to maintain their health and productivity. The diet includes corn, rice, bran and cassava to provide energy, soybeans and fish meal to supplement protein, and vegetable oil and animal fat to increase fat. When the chickens arrive at the factory, they are quickly hung on conveyor hooks, starting their journey through the modern processing line. Every operation takes place smoothly and professionally. Once the chicken necks are completely removed, they are quickly dipped into a pot of boiling water at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius, about 55 to 65 degrees. This step helps soften the feathers, facilitating the subsequent plucking process, ensuring that the feathers are removed cleanly without damaging the chicken's skin. After cleaning the feathers, the chicken is taken to the next step of cutting off the neck and legs. This step helps ensure that the chicken is neatly prepared, ready for the next steps such as cleaning the organs and dividing the chicken into portions. The process of removing organs is quick and clean. Specialized machines drill a hole just enough to ensure that the external structure is not torn or affected. After cleaning, the chicken is put into the automatic cutting system. First, the cutter accurately identifies the shoulder joint, separating the wings neatly without tearing the skin. Next, the cutter locates the hip joint, cutting decisively to get the intact thigh, ensuring a smooth and even cut. Finally, the chicken skin is gently separated, revealing the firm, pinkish-white breast meat, the most delicious part and often used to make KFC's signature crispy fried chicken pieces. The chicken pieces, after being pre-processed, are divided into equal portions, ready for the marinating stage. The chicken pieces are evenly rolled in a layer of soft flour, covering each piece of meat. Then they are quickly dropped into a pan of boiling oil. Under high temperature, the outer layer gradually turns golden brown and crispy, the familiar image of fried chicken that makes everyone crave music. After being fried to a perfect golden brown, the chicken pieces are divided evenly and then quickly and carefully packaged. Each piece of fresh chicken is evenly coated in a soft flour, then dropped into a pan of boiling oil over high heat where the magic begins. After just a few minutes, the outer layer turns golden brown and crispy, enveloping the tender, flavorful meat inside. That is the secret to creating attractive, irresistible fried chicken pieces that make anyone who sees them swallow their saliva. Music. Chickens are raised in a modern closed cage system with tightly controlled temperature, humidity and lighting. Fresh water, around 200 to 300 milliliters per bird daily, and a balanced diet of corn, rice bran, cassava, soybeans, fish meal, vegetable oil and animal fat ensure health and even growth. Chickens meeting quality standards are sent to the processing plant. Chickens are hung on conveyor hooks for automated handling. They are dipped in hot water between 55 to 65 degrees Celsius to loosen feathers. Then they are plucked, cleaned and butchered, including the removal of neck, legs and internal organs using precision machines. Automated cutters separate the wings at the shoulder joint, thighs at the hip joint and breast meat, the prime cut used for KFC's crispy fried chicken. 4. Marinating and breading. Chicken portions are marinated using KFC's secret recipe. Then they are evenly coated in soft flour. 5. Deep frying. The breaded chicken is fried in boiling oil at high heat. The result, a golden brown crispy outer layer that locks in tender, juicy meat. 6. Packaging. Once perfectly fried, chicken pieces are carefully portioned and packaged, ready for delivery to stores. This entire process ensures consistency, crispiness and flavor across all KFC locations worldwide. Once the chickens reach maturity and meet quality benchmarks, They are transported to state-of-the-art processing facilities. This journey is handled with care to minimize stress, which can negatively impact meat quality. The moment they arrive, chickens are quickly and efficiently moved onto conveyor hooks, an automated system designed to reduce handling and ensure uniform processing. The initial step in processing involves humanely stunning the chickens, ensuring they are unconscious before slaughter to meet animal welfare guidelines. Following this, the birds are bled out swiftly to preserve meat integrity. The defeathering process starts with a hot water bath, typically heated to about 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. The brief immersion loosens the feathers by softening the follicles, making them easier to remove mechanically. Precision-controlled feather. Plucking machines then remove the feathers without damaging the skin, a critical factor for presentation and frying quality. After feather removal, the chickens proceed to evisceration, where the neck and legs are removed. This prepares the bird for organ removal and portioning. Using specialized machines, a small incision is made to extract the internal organs without compromising the bird's external structure. These machines are calibrated to operate with minimal waste, ensuring both hygiene and efficiency. Once eviscerated, the chickens undergo thorough internal and external washing to remove any remaining impurities. They are then inspected by quality control personnel to confirm that they meet strict sanitary and aesthetic standards. Advanced cutting mechanisms. With the chicken cleaned and prepped, it is fed into automatic cutting systems that use a combination of visual sensors and mechanical arms to dissect the bird into standardized parts. The first step in this phase is identifying and separating the wings at the shoulder joints. These cuts are made with surgical precision, avoiding unnecessary tearing of skin or muscle tissue. Next, the cutter locates the hip joints to remove the thighs in one swift, clean motion. These are among the juiciest parts and must be separated intact to meet customer expectations. Breast meat separation. Finally, the most prized part of the bird, the breast, is carefully removed. The chicken skin is peeled back without damaging the underlying meat, exposing the firm, pinkish-white flesh that is so popular among customers. This breast meat is typically reserved for KFC's flagship crispy fried chicken offerings due to its tenderness and surface area, ideal for breading and frying. Each piece is inspected post-cutting to ensure conformity in size and weight. Consistency here is key as it impacts both cooking time and flavor balance when multiple pieces are served together. KFC's legendary marinade. This is where science meets secrecy. KFC's marination process is the first culinary step, and it involves a blend of proprietary herbs, spices, and liquids known only to a select few. The chicken pieces are soaked or tumble marinated, ensuring that the flavors penetrate deep into the meat. This step can last several hours and is carefully timed for maximum absorption. The marinade not only enhances taste, but also contributes to tenderness and moisture retention during frying. A standardization for global flavor consistency. One of the unique strengths of KFC's process is its ability to deliver the same flavor profile across different locations worldwide. To do this, the company uses pre-measured spice blends and automated marination systems. This eliminates guesswork and ensures every piece of chicken receives the same seasoning intensity regardless of where it is made.